Welcome to see the video of Bird's house. Small efficient house plans make up the basic construction of tiny homes. The small space in your house might be limited on size but on not on design. With a little creativity and these 5 days, your tiny home can be decorating masterpiece in a functional living space. Bright white or light colors help make rooms appear bigger. They brighten dark corners, stairways, and halls. A monochromatic color scheme works well too, as extend your living area by adding a deck patio or porch to your home. While this won't add square footage, it does allow for more room to roam at outdoor to create a comfortable feel. So you are more option to use the space, but I guess a charcoal grill outside for and entertainment to save space in the inside. A tiny bird's house does not have room for clutter throughout as much as you can before moving into your new home. Or minimize clothing, decorative objects, cooking supplies, and furniture. But the most out of your the piece of dual purpose is stacked and table can double a beside table and a cabinet sofa. The efficient plan make up the basic construction of bird's house.